Hello, I am in the North Norfolk town of Sheringham, and there's the golf course over there, and over in the distance you can just about see it is the sea. But we're not here for a holiday. What I've come to look at is the Sheringham Town Council initiative to replace rotting wooden raised beds in their allotments with recycled plastic ones, and it's pretty impressive. The very first thing that you see when you come into the allotments are these beautiful raised beds. Very solid looking. And I have to say, hats off to Sheringham Town Council, because they're not a big organisation, they've not got a lot of staff, and they've not got a lot of money. But they're very forward thinking, obviously, because here you can see this is how the wooden raised beds have fared. Even with big chunky great sleepers, they're really rotting away. But that obviously won't happen with those raised beds. Those ones over there. Or these ones here. Very impressive. Well done, Sheringham. Got to say, yeah, that's good work.